What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Litecoin. Yeah, I didn't make a video on Litecoin yesterday simply because Litecoin was the only coin that I was very skeptical about if it was going to rally or not, because Litecoin was giving me this weak vibes. So I wasn't really sure. If it was, though I would have made a video, but I wasn't really sure about Litecoin, what Litecoin was doing exactly. So I just felt, okay, let me just give it let me just give it one whole day to see how it's going to move. Then I can tell what is actually wrong with Litecoin. Is it that Litecoin doesn't want to stay related to the market anymore or not? So you could see right here, it rallied all the way to probably 3% yesterday, which was kind of low given the fact that the likes of Ethereum rallied 10%, roughly 10% yesterday. So with the look of things right here, I was like, okay, maybe something was wrong. But obviously right now, I think what matters is the fact that the USDT dominance right now is looking bearish. Crude oil looking bearish, S&P 500 looking bullish, gold looking bullish, Bitcoin looking bullish from this end. So with all of this at hand, I don't think it's best to see Litecoin dumping, because nothing has changed the fact that from the weekly time frame, Litecoin is still in a downtrend, and also it's also forming this bear flag pattern. So I think Litecoin is still doing very well. Trust me, it's still doing so very well. From the daily time frame, you can see right here that we most likely found support. This is definitely what we needed from Litecoin. We need to find support around this area of support from this fib level at $53. So Litecoin is still very much good to go, guys. We found support around here at $53.45, and we're most likely going to be rallying into our next major resistance, which is most likely going to be here at $58. So I think this is definitely to be expected from Litecoin. So Litecoin will most likely be bullish this week. So I think this is definitely what we should be expecting. So without wasting much of your time, worst case scenario for Litecoin is probably seeing Litecoin breaking below the support at $53.44, retesting and dumping all the way down to $50. But I do not see that happening anytime soon. If you can look at this from the daily time frame, Litecoin is doing so well. In as much as the likes of the USDT dominance is still looking bearish, crude oil is still looking bearish, there is every possibility for the market as a whole to be bullish, the risk on assets. And if you look at the news, the fundamentals that is driving this market, it is definitely the Strait of Hormuz being open, US and Iran coming to a final agreement that will definitely benefit both parties. So that is definitely all we need from them. And hopefully, with the look of things, with the way the market is rallying, the market has been optimistic or trying to price in the news in the future. So I think that is just basically it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.